Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is one of the best action cams you can buy, and though it's been replaced by the GoPro Hero 11 Black, it still offers plenty of bang for your buck. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, with a brand new processor that gives the action cam mainstay a boost in low light performance, stabilization, and frame rate options. You're also getting GoPro's reliably sturdy build quality, waterproofing down to 33 feet, 10 meters, and a front-facing screen that makes it super easy to see yourself while shooting in selfie mode. GoPro's hypersmooth video stabilization works like a dream to get buttery smooth footage. Plus, with 5.3K video at up to 60 FPS and 4K up to 120 FPS, this is still one of the most capable action cams on the market. Number 3. AKASO Brave 7LA. If you're on a tighter budget, the AKASO Brave 7LA is a solid GoPro alternative that won't break the bank. Despite its relatively affordable price point, this camera feels well built and has an IPX7 rating, meaning it can withstand submersion in 1 m of water for up to 30 minutes. However, you'll need to put it in the included protective case to get more extensive waterproofing for scuba diving and underwater adventures. Like the GoPro Hero 10 Black and GoPro Hero 9 Black, the Brave 7LA has a secondary front screen that's helpful for vlogging. While its stabilization feature works well, it isn't as effective as pricier cameras and imposes a severe 1.6x crop. The other trade-off is in frame rates, which max out at 30 FPS in 4K. Don't worry, you can still record 120 FPS slow-mo footage in 1080p. If you can live with those compromises, this is a great action cam for the price. Number 4. AKASO V50X. There are plenty of cheap GoPro knockoffs, but the best cheap action cam we've tested is the AKASO V50X. It's a solid camera if you want something highly portable and affordable. It feels cheap compared to the sturdy build of GoPro cameras, and it's only waterproof when you put it in the included protective case. On the upside, this thing comes with plenty of mounting accessories in the box and has a simple user interface that's easy to use, making it incredibly easy to get out and start shooting. Frame rates are limited, especially compared to the extensive options offered by a top-of-the-line camera like the GoPro Hero 10 Black, but you still get 4K at 30 FPS and 1080p at 30 or 60 FPS. Bottom line, if you're looking for a straightforward camera for action video that won't cost you a fortune, this is a solid option for the price. Number 5. Insta360 GO 2. If you need something especially portable, the Insta360 GO 2 is the way to, excuse the pun, go. Marketed as the world's smallest action camera, this tiny camera will appeal more to vloggers and content creators than rugged adventure seekers. However, it's a unique option that can fit into the tightest spaces. It also comes with a magnetic pendant necklace that lets you discreetly shoot chest-level footage. On top of that, it has some neat features you can access through the Insta360 companion app, including a built-in editing suite and video stabilization that you can apply after the fact. That said, unlike the GoPro Hero 9 Black, which falls around the same price point, the GO 2 can't record 4K video. It's limited to a max resolution of 1440p, and it has fewer frame rate options. Still, if you're looking for an extremely portable, minimalist solution for on-the-go video, this is a nifty little camera with a ton of extra features. Number 6. DJI Pocket 2. Calling the DJI Pocket 2 an action camera might be debatable, but this pocket camera stands out for its built-in gimbal, which lets you shoot buttery smooth handheld footage of action or sports. The gimbal works incredibly well and can stabilize the camera across 3 axes, which you can configure a few different ways, meaning you can lock the horizon, for instance, or prevent the camera from tilting and rolling. On top of its stabilization, the camera has an active tracking mode that can lock onto a specific subject and automatically follow them. You don't get as many frame rate options as you do with the GoPro Hero 10 Black, but the camera's 1/1.7-inch sensor gives it a leg up on most action cameras for video quality and low light performance. Overall, this is a great portable camera for those who want to shoot stabilized handheld video without carrying a lot of extra gear.